Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling something that's super important for your iPhone's security. How to check and manage who has access through Face ID. If you're wondering about alternate appearances or just want to verify your settings on the latest iOS for 2025, you're in the right place. This is especially useful if you share your device or have set up multiple Face ID profiles. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and you're on the home screen. Start by opening the Settings app. It's that gear icon you see on your main screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Face ID and Passcode. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, for security reasons, you'll need to enter your passcode or use Face ID to proceed. Don't worry, it's quick. Once inside, you'll see a few options related to Face ID. At the top, it might show if Face ID is set up for the device. If you've added an alternate appearance, like for when you're wearing glasses or a mask, you can see that listed here. To check details, tap on Set up an alternate appearance, if it's available, or look for Reset Face ID, if you want to start fresh. Remember, Face ID is designed for the primary user, but iOS allows for one alternate setup to handle variations in your appearance. If you're concerned about who else might have access, keep in mind that Face ID isn't meant for multiple users like a shared device. It's biometric security for you. However, you can review and manage these settings to ensure everything is as it should be. For example, if you need to remove an alternate appearance, just go to this menu and select the option to reset or delete it. Wrapping this up, managing your Face ID settings is a breeze and helps keep your iPhone secure. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and tech savvy.